Assalamu alaikum students. In this lesson we are going to describe about convection. Liquids and gases may be poor conductors of heat, but they can carry heat because their particles are free to move around. Convection cannot happen in solids because the particles are held in a framework and cannot move around as they do in liquids and gases. The process of convection occurs in electric kettle, refrigerators, and air conditioners. And now I am going to boil water in an electric kettle to show you the convection process. The hot water is less dense and moves upward, and cold water moves in this direction. From here it comes here and in this direction. This is called convection current. When the hot water rises, due to its less density, and cold water replaces the rising warm water, and this in turn also becomes warm and rises. A continuous circulating stream is set up in the kettle. This is called convection current. So here is a continuous circulation, that is convection current. Warm water rises and cold water replaces the warm water. So this was about liquids. Heat energy must travel through gases because a room can be warmed by a heater. Warm air is less dense than the cold air, so the warm air above the heater rises and is replaced by denser cold air. As in the water in the kettle, a convection current is set up and air circulates around the room. During the day, land is heated by the sun much more quickly than the sea. This sets up a convection current, so air moves in from the sea. When damp air from over the sea rises, it cools to form cloud. Here the land is warming up. Warm air rises, cold air sinks, and clouds form where warm damp air rises and cools. I am standing in front of my refrigerator and can feel the cold air that is coming out and touching my feet. Because the cold air settles down and warm air rises. So here is also the process of convection. So that was all about convection in liquids and gases. In electric kettle, you have seen the convection currents. Convection current occurs in land than the sea. During the day, when the land is heated by the sun. So that was all about convection. I hope this lecture was interesting. Your diary is reading of textbook page number 6, and write the answers of question number 3 and 4. Thank you and have a nice day.